What if you could literally earn money while you sleep? No products to build, no courses to launch, and no clients to chase. Just your money doing the work for you. In 2025, there are several banks that are offering 4.5% APY or more on savings or cash accounts. And the best part, you have no minimum balance requirements whatsoever in many of them. That means even if you don't have millions, you can still earn serious passive income. So stick with me and I'll name 5 banks you should check out and tell you how much you can actually make, as well as how to stack this with your other income streams so you're never fully dependent on just one paycheck again. Let's first get real about rates for a second. Traditional savings accounts pay like 0.1% or 0.5%. That's basically nothing. And with inflation, your money is literally losing value sitting there. But if your cash can earn 4.5% or more, that changes everything. So let's run the math. If you had $100,000 in an account that paid 4.5% APY, you're going to earn $4,500 per year, just letting your money sitting there. That is $375 per month. No work, no drama. If you can stack multiple accounts or scale it up with more capital, then hitting $5,000 per year becomes very realistic. The key is to find banks that A, pay high rates, B, don't force you to hold $25,000 or more, and C, are safe and FDIC insured as well. Be sure to pick which ones have ease of access like apps, transfers, and digital experience as well. Ones that compound frequently like daily versus monthly. Also consider the fee structure, meaning no hidden maintenance fee. And lastly, make sure it is FDIC insured or has similar insurance. This ensures that your money is safe. The banks that I'm about to mention are nationwide as well as FDIC insured banks. They are available across the US and not just regional promotions or local credit unions. First on our list is Openbank. Their APY starts at 4.5% but goes up to 5%. The minimum deposit is $500 to open an account. Openbank is great because your earnings are backed by a major global bank that operates with the flexibility and has no fees as well as no hoops, and you get nationwide access. It's perfect if you want a solid established name with digital convenience. The second on our list is Varo Bank. Their APY goes up to 5% on balances up to $5,000. They have no minimum balance requirements. Varo Bank is great because they are 100% online and built for mobile users. Varo consistently lands on every high-yield savings account list because it pays some of the highest rates in the country, even for smaller balances. It's ideal for anyone who's just starting out or rebuilding their savings. The third on our list is Pibank. Their APY is currently around 4.6%. As far as minimum deposits go, it's $0 to open an account and $0 to earn interest. Now, you can't earn interest on $0, so put some money in there. Pibank is great because it is clean, simple, and consistent as well. You have no balance tiers, meaning there are no different interest rates based on the amount of money you have. So whether you have $50 or $500, your APY is going to be the same. They also have no credit check, making it a straightforward 4.6% that compounds daily. If you like simplicity, then this is your set it and forget it option. Now on to bank number 4, which is EverBank. It was formerly called TIAA Bank. EverBank currently has an APY of about 4.3%. They have no minimum balance requirements whatsoever, as well as EverBank is a great option to consider because it has a strong nationwide reach and it has one of the best reputations for digital savings. They have no maintenance fees and your interest compounds daily. You also get a rock-solid mobile experience. Even though it is just shy of that 4.5%, its reliability and zero requirements make it a favorite for long-term savers. Fifth and last on our list is Axos Bank. Its APY is up to 4.6%. So why is Axos so great? Axos is one of the oldest digital banks in the US. It is known for combining high yields with full banking services. If you set up direct deposits or hit your activity goals, you can unlock their top rate. All 5 of these banks are FDIC insured as well as nationwide and available to open online right now. I know SoFi is very popular right now, but it did not make the cut this time because its current APY of 4.5% is variable and subject to change. The APY is also only available for a limited time only, and it's only giving for the first 6 months. So, how much money can you actually make in a high yield savings account, earning 4.5% APY? So, let's do a realistic example. Let's say you deposit $50,000 on a 4.5% APY. That is $2,250 per year. If you deposit $100,000 at 4.5%, you get $4,500 per year. Now, deposit $200,000 at 4.5%, and that gives you $9,000 per year. These earnings are passive income, and you will not be trading hours for dollars. To hit $5,000 per year, you need around $111,111 at 4.5%. If you can't reach that now, then start with what you have. Let compounding help and keep stacking that cash. Also, redeposit the earned interest to benefit from compounding. Over time, your money begins to make money on the interest itself. Setting this up should be as close to set it and forget it as possible. And here's how. Open multiple high-yield savings accounts in the banks of your choice. Link your primary checking account so funds can move automatically. Schedule recurring deposits. That can be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly as well. I suggest you follow your pay schedule. Enroll in auto transfer of your interest by letting your interest roll into the same or another high-yield savings account. Monitor rates quarterly, and don't be afraid to move your money if the bank lowers your rates significantly. The goal is to make your money work for you as long as it possibly can. Also, guard your money by using two-factor authentication and keeping contact information current. Also, make sure you're covering FDIC limits by not putting more than $250,000 in any one account. Earning $5,000 or more while you sleep is great, right? But it shouldn't be your only strategy for building wealth. Use it as a foundation, and here is how. Use your high-yield savings as rainy day funds. Let it cover things like emergency expenses and bills. Reinvest part of it into high-growth assets like stocks, real estate, and index funds. Keep some of the money liquid and accessible so you have capital for opportunities. So, here is the bottom line. In 2025, there are real safe banks paying 4.5 APY plus with little to no minimum balance requirements. You don't need to be wealthy already. You just need to be strategic. Start with what you have, automate it, and let your savings grow while you sleep. Because in 2025, being broke while your money could be earning 4.5% interest is officially a bad habit. Check out the link below for the free Spending with Purpose tracker to help you manage your money more efficiently. And before you click away, hit that subscribe button. I'm Fawani, and I want you to always remember that the best time to invest in yourself was yesterday. The second best time is now. You got this.